Welcome to Science Class! Today in science, we're going to learn using Earth's resources, minerals, rocks, and soil. For today's learning objectives, I can compare and contrast properties of minerals. I can describe how three main kinds of rocks form. I can identify the components of soil. I can compare and contrast different soils. Oh wow! That's a rhinoceros! Hi, Mr. Rhino! Mr. Rhino is going to be with us today. Before we start, let's revise about our previous lesson, Earth changes. How can Earth's surface change quickly? And how can Earth's surface change slowly? Let's have your volcano. A volcano can change the Earth's surface quickly. The second one here is a landslide. Landslide can also change Earth's surface quickly. This is weathering, the breaking of rocks into smaller pieces. It can change Earth's surface slowly. This picture shows flood. It can change Earth's surface quickly. Erosion is the weathering and movement of small pieces of rock. Erosion can change Earth's surface slowly. This shows an earthquake. An earthquake can change Earth's surface quickly. Remember, volcano, landslide, flood, and earthquake can all change Earth's surface quickly. Weathering and erosion can change Earth's surface slowly. Hope you're getting all this right, kids. Natural resources are useful materials found in nature. We have here a lot of natural resources found in our environment. We have here water, oil, forests or trees, rocks, minerals, soil, and even animals like you, Mr. Rhino. Today we're going to talk about these natural resources: rocks, minerals, and soil. Look at these rocks. Their colors are beautiful. A rock's color gives clues about the minerals that make it up. Rocks are made of minerals. A mineral is a solid, non-living thing found in nature. They are found underground and in soil. Minerals are even in the ocean and on the ocean floor. There are more than 3,000 different kinds of minerals. Each mineral has its own properties. You can use the properties of minerals to tell them apart. Color is one property of minerals. A mineral might come in many colors. It might also come in one color only. Streak is another property used to identify minerals. Streak is the color that remains when a mineral is rubbed on a tile. Just like this one, it is golden colored mineral. As you can see, it left a black colored streak. The streak may be different color than the mineral. Luster is another property used to identify a mineral. Luster tells how light bounces off a mineral. Some minerals have a shiny luster. They look like metals. Hardness describes how easily a mineral can be scratched. This yellow-colored mineral left a mark on the glass. This means that this mineral is harder than the glass. Let's try another one. Let's try to scratch this one. This mineral left no mark. This means that this mineral is a soft one. Some minerals are soft, others are much harder. A rock is a non-living material made of one or more minerals. Rocks are classified by how they form. There are three kinds of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Let's discuss how these rocks are formed. Let's start with igneous rocks. When magma or lava cools and hardens, it becomes igneous rock. The second type are sedimentary rocks. Sediment is tiny bits of weathered rock and bits of decayed plants or animals. Sediment piles up at the bottom of rivers, lakes, and oceans. The top layers press on those below. The bits of sediment stick together. This makes sedimentary rock. The third type are metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rock is rock that has been changed. The rock has been heated and squeezed. Rocks heat up deep inside earth. The weight of the rock above squeezes it. This can cause a rock's mineral to change. They become new minerals. A new and different rock is made. Remember how these rocks are formed. Igneous rocks are formed when melted rocks cools and hardens. Sedimentary rocks are formed when sediments piles up and stick together. And metamorphic rocks are formed when igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks are squeezed and heated. How do we use minerals? Did you write with a pencil today? If so, you used the mineral graphite. Did you eat any food with salt? If so, you ate the mineral halite. Many of the things we use every day comes from minerals. Wires are made with the mineral copper. Some baseball bats are made with aluminum. Aluminum comes from minerals. In fact, most of the metals we use come from minerals. Minerals are even used to make toothpaste. We call it fluorite. Gold, silver, and iron are minerals we use for jewelry. Other minerals such as diamonds, topazes, and rubies are gems. People value gems for their beauty. Diamond is the hardest mineral. Nothing can scratch it. We use rocks in many ways. Coal is a rock. We burn coal for heat. We use rocks to build roads and houses. Limestone is used to make cement. Many statues and memorials are made of marble. Marble is a hard rock. It can be carved. Plants, animals, and people could not live without soil. What is in soil? Why is it important to many living things? Let's find out. Soil is a mixture of minerals, weathered rocks. It has bits of decayed plants and animals called humus. Humus looks dark. It adds nutrients to soil. Plants then use these nutrients. If you dig away a chunk of soil, you might find roots. A plant's roots take in water and minerals from the soil. They also hold the soil in place and help slow erosion. You might also find animals living in soil. Animals such as ants, earthworms, and moles break up soil. Their burrows help air and water get into the soil. Soil takes a long time to form, up to 1,000 years for just 1 centimeter. Living things die and decay in the weathered material and become humus. Over time, layers of soil form. The top layer is called topsoil. Topsoil is dark and has the most humus and mineral. Below the topsoil is subsoil. This layer is lighter in color and has less humus. Below the subsoil is bedrock or solid rock. Different soils are found in different places. Like rocks, soils differ in color and texture. We have here 4 different types of soil: sand, silt, clay, and loam. Sand has big sizes of grains. It can hold little water. Silt has grains smaller than the sand. It can hold more water than the sand. Clay has the smallest grains. It can hold a lot of water. and loam is made from a mixture of sand, silt, and clay. It is not too wet or dry. Many plants grow best in loam. Soil is a natural resource, remember? A natural resource is a material on earth that is necessary or useful to people. Without soil, most plants could not grow. People and animals would not have food to eat. There will be no cotton to make clothes. There will be no wood to build houses or burn for heat. There will be fewer medicines. It is important to keep soil healthy. We can help soil stay healthy by keeping it clean. Hey, wait there, Mr. Rhino. Come with us and let's sum up today's lesson. Properties such as color, hardness, streak, and luster are used to tell minerals apart. Rocks form in different ways. People use rocks and minerals for many things. Soil is made up of weathered rocks, minerals, and decayed plants and animals. Soils are different in color and texture. They also hold different amounts of water. Soil is a natural resource. Soil is important to many living things. Hope you got a lot of information about minerals, rocks, and soil in today's lesson. Right, Mr. Rhino? Oh, yes! Grab your book, read and answer your science textbook, pages 126 to 139. Check the latest timetable in the Learning Management System or LMS. Join Science Zoom class on Tuesday at 3 o'clock p.m. Use the Zoom meeting link sent by your class teacher. See you there! Thank you for watching, kids. Have fun learning. Oh, thanks also to you, Mr. Rhino. You've been with us throughout our lessons. Have fun learning, everyone. Always stay home and be safe.